If you've been looking for a powerful Ionic bladeless hair dryer, then this hair dryer by LettreQ is the perfect hair dryer for you. Keep watching to find out why. Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric. This is going to be a quick unboxing, and then we're going to do a demo and quick follow-up of the Ionic hair dryer by LettreQ. And this is a metal black color Ionic hair dryer. Pull it out of there, and first thing you can see is it comes in its own nice case. Great for traveling. Got the LettreQ logo right there. And let's open this up and take a look at what's inside. And let's take a look at the boring stuff first. Let's see. You've got a, wow, they include everything you need in here. You've got your information on the dryer, instructions for you. You've got your little brush to help keep it clean. And besides this nice carrying case, you also have a nice bag, which in some cases might be better if you're temporarily storing it in a drawer or something like that. And then here is the dryer itself. Move the plastic, sorry about that, move the plastic out of the way. And yeah, wow, it is a nice looking dryer. That black metallic finish, it's like a satin black finish, and nice gold accents. Very, very cool. You got your buttons here for easy control. Nice finish there. You can see no blade, just a hollow hole there. Got your, this is an Ionic dryer, remember, so it does produce the Ionic air technology. It's got a nice thick cord and long cord to be able to reach where you need to go, and nice cord organizer for when you're not using it. Your filter is down here on the bottom, and that's how you're going to, that's where the air comes in, and filter there to make sure that it stays clean. But beautiful looking dryer. Let's take a quick look at some of the attachments that come with it. You do get this attachment to, you can attach this to your wall, and that is for hanging the dryer. So you can have that to attach to the wall, and there hangs just like that. So that's nice. You also have your two directional air blowing attachment, as well as your diffuser. And what's great about these, you can see they don't have like a screw. Why is that? It's because I believe they're magnetic. So you just like that. That is really awesome. Look at that. Just clicks on. Same thing for the diffuser. Just magnetic. Just clips right on there. Easy on, easy off. That is awesome. So this is everything that comes in a box. Really, really beautiful, beautiful dryer. Let's just check it out in action real quick. So here we are with the fan, and I'm going to show you first this filter. That's where the filter is, so you can clean the filter there. Nice and easy. And then here are your controls, and you'll see little LEDs here to indicate your level of fan speed as well as level of heat. So if we turn this on, right now we're at the level 3 fan and level 3 heat. Level 2 fan, level 3 heat. Level 1 fan, level 3 heat. Level 2 heat. Level 1 heat. No heat, so now we're just cool air. Level 1, 2, 3. And again, so you can have any level fan with any level heat. And it's putting out a lot of the level 2 is putting out more air than my current fan does on high. I'll take it down. Of course, it's making sound because the air is going through, but it is way quieter than the fan that I normally use. And I just love the controls and everything, and it's got that Ionic feature. So you've seen everything that comes in the box. It's an amazing looking hairdryer. It's really, really beautiful. And you've seen the features. You saw it in action. The fact that it's just designed nice, and it's got these very easy to access buttons to turn it off and on, to change the heating, 3 levels of heating, as well as 3 levels of speed, completely independently controllable. So any level of heat with any level of speed. You've got that bladeless design, as you can see, and really powerful without being super loud, which is awesome. It is significantly more powerful than the standard hairdryer that I was using before, but actually quieter than that hair dryer. It comes with that great travel case. It comes with the attachments. Those attachments are magnetic, so they're easy on and off, plus easy to turn to the direction you want them to be in if you're using that directional attachment. Really, really awesome. You've got the filter in the handle that's easy to clean. You've got a long cord so that you can use this without having to worry about distance from the plug in your bathroom. Just really, really excellent blow dryer by LettreQ. Definitely a product that I would recommend. That is going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this blow dryer, share the video with them. All those ways are down there. If you have any questions about it, just post them down in the comments below, and I will do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, favorite this playlist, so you can keep up with future product reviews. That's going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.